Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zillow API access for UI property search personalization, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with the Zillow API, visit the Zillow developer portal. Create an account if you do not already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the API section of the portal. Locate the option to apply for API access. Fill out the application form with the required information. Submit the application and wait for approval from Zillow. After receiving approval, log back into your account. Find your unique API key in your account settings. Keep this key secure, as it will be used for your requests. Next, review the Zillow API documentation for guidelines on usage. Understand the endpoints available for property searches. Select the appropriate endpoint that fits your requirements. Make a test request using your API key to ensure it is functioning. Use tools like Postman or curl for sending your requests. In your request, include the necessary parameters for property search. This may include location, property type, and filters for results. Handle the response from the API effectively. Parse the returned data for use in your application. Integrate this data into your UI for personalized property searches. Test the functionality thoroughly to ensure accuracy. Adjust your request parameters as needed based on user feedback. Finally, monitor your API usage to stay within the limits set by Zillow. This concludes the process for authenticating and accessing the Zillow API for property search personalization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.